Taking a look at Jasmy from the previous video, we can see that Jasmy has actually broken out. So from the high in December down to the candle close in April, Jasmy has broken through the 382 retracement. We can see that the downside move would have been to 14. However, as long as it remained over 14, which you did actually have a sell-off down to about 15, and as long as it stays over 14, the move would still be to the upside. And you can see you broke over the 382 retracement at 18.45. And we're now seeing the ascent to the 0.5 at 2.3 cents. So that would suggest that if Jasmy can get through 2.3 cents, not 2.5 cents, then the next move up would be to the 618 retracement at about 2.8 cents. So if we actually clear this out and redraw, you could even argue if you go to this level here and you take it on the non-log fib, we're now hitting the 236 retracement at 2.03 cents. So right now we are at what one would argue the bottom confirmation resistance level. If Jasmy ends up blowing through this 2.3 cents level, you're probably going to see a very large move to this 2.5 to 2.7 level range. Now, why is that? Well, you can see from the high down to the low, on a non-log fib, it is your 382 retracement. And if you take this fib and put it back on log, as I just showed you earlier in the video, the 618 retracement is at 2.7. So if we can get through this level here, there's probably going to be a very large move for Jasmy, all the way up to as low as 2.6 and as high as 2.7. Now, once Jasmy gets through 2.7, we can start talking about 3.9, obviously the high from back here, and a potential bull run all the way up to about 20 cents for Jasmy. But as of right now, we need to see Jasmy clear this 2.5, or sorry, the 2 level that I just highlighted before, and this 0.5 at about 2.2 before we say that it's actually bullish. In the short term, if we do actually pull back, we need to see Jasmy stay over 1.75. If it falls below 1.75, then the top is in, and you do actually have a double top, and a larger move back down to the low will most likely take place, in my opinion.